for fine liners under a budget? Here are 5 brands under 100 rupees. At number 5, we have stick fine liners. Yes, you heard it right, the same brand that we used to love in our childhood. These pens have a really smooth felt tip, and this was the first brand that I bought in 2018 when I just started learning mandala art. As these are easily available in your local stationery shops in just rupees 100, but these pens tend to dry up really soon, so make sure to use them frequently. At number 4, we have Artline fine liners, which come in a pack of 10 pens for just 100 rupees on Amazon. These are also felt tip pens but are smoother than stick pens that we discussed in the last point. You can also try Artline noodle pens, but they cost more than 100 rupees. At number 3, we have Roretto fine liners, which look very similar to the stick fine liners, and they also come in a pack of 10 pens for around 90 to 100 rupees on Amazon. These are really smooth, highly pigmented pens and definitely work good as promised, unlike my promise of going out for parties. At number 2, we have a very underrated yet amazing Flare Hotline fine liners, which come in a pack of 10 pens for around 80 to 100 rupees on Amazon. These pens have 0.7 mm stainless steel tip with high viscosity ink, which makes it comfortable to use and also last longer. And at number 1, we have a very popular brand called Luxor Fine Writer, which comes in a pack of 10 pens for around 80 to 100 rupees on Amazon. These pens have a very fine 0.5 mm stainless steel tip and a highly pigmented ink, which makes it perfect for detailed artworks, especially in mandala art. Don't forget to watch a detailed video on fine liners under 100 rupees on my YouTube channel and share your favorite in the comments.